Here is a very specific strategy called the yes email. Okay. And this is the last one that we have before we'll get you guys out of here and get gearing up for day 2. It's called the yes email. Okay. Where you're going to optimize back-end profit with a very specific little email sequence. So here's the story. The story is years ago, Brian and I sent 3 emails to all of SamCart's monthly subscribers. And we basically said, hey, listen, if you guys want to switch, if you're enjoying SamCart, switch over to annual billing and save 20% a month. All you have to do is reply back yes, and we'll take care of the rest using your card on file. This is one of the most successful email campaigns we ever ran, ever. When you make it that, it's the same thing that makes order bumps and upsells that easy, is when you give your customers a chance to buy something else that easily. It's you grease the slide. It's why Amazon checkout is so easy. It's why Apple Pay, Apple's invested billions of dollars into Apple Pay and making that easy for people. You know what I mean? It's why we're working so hard on one-click checkout and innovating on what the checkout experience is here at SamCart. You know what I mean? Stored credit card technology is easy. And Lisa asked if that is legal. Yes, 100% Lisa, especially if you have a customer on file. If you already have a card on file and you give them express permission and say, hey, reply back yes, and written yes is absolutely like legal confirmation.
It's a fair question because it seems legal.
It's a completely fair question.
It's so
yes.
awesome. Yeah.
The answer is, let me show you guys something, because this is a power that all of you have to promise only to use for good. We've been doing SamCart for a long time, and I've literally never seen someone abuse this. But if I were to pull up an order from somebody in my SamCart account and come in here and say, all right, cool, I want to poke up, here's an old order. There's a button down here called add to order. And if you guys know what this button is, give me like a hell yes in the chat box. I'm sure a handful of you guys have probably used it before. But this button basically lets you use someone's card on file to charge them for more stuff. And Lisa, to your question, if I was going to choose add to order, and then I would say, all right, cool, I want to pull up the putting thing that I made earlier, and I want to add it to someone's order, I can charge them using the card on file right now. Now, this is actually me, so there's nothing at stake here. But this is we have never, not one time, have we ever got a SamCart marketplace gotten in trouble by using this illegally. Most people know better than to do this. But let me show you guys how we're going to use AI. We're going to write an email sequence that could turn into one of the most profitable things you guys do this year. First thing you need to do with your yes email sequence, what are you going to sell? So for some of you guys, it might be like, cool, I want my monthly subscribers to switch to annual billing. Maybe you want someone to join a subscription. You bought a individual one-off product and you want them to get into your monthly coaching or your monthly consulting. Maybe you want to sell them another course or another download or another whatever. Taylor, for you, like what would a yes email thing look like inside of your brand?
Since I mainly podcast, it's a lot of those templates, those doctor's guides, those things like that. So, hey, you enjoyed this episode where I talk about my survive the doctor's office 101 journal entry, something, I don't know, and you want it, here it is for $10. Just let me know yes, and I'll make sure it hits your inbox.
Yep.
And 20, something like that.
Yeah, absolutely. You know what I mean? Whatever that is for you guys, this is it. You know what I mean? So this is what the yes email is going to look like. And this is the prompt we're going to use to get AI to write these for us. At the end of the day, I want you guys, your yes email sequence should be 3 emails that you send out within 3 or 4 weeks of someone becoming a customer. And here's the prompt. The AI prompt that we're going to go and do this for is going to say, write a 3-paragraph email to an existing customer. Offer them a 25% discount if they purchase blank. Whatever that is. Offer 25% arbitrary. You guys can do whatever you want. If they purchase the name of your product, a product that helps the customer do whatever. So let's fill in the blanks here. So the golf example, I would say offer them a 25% discount if they purchase the putter's process, a product designed to help the customer shave points off their handicap by putting better or something like that. And then here's the last one. Remember we said modify. You always modify your prompts. Use a personal tone. This email should feel relational. It should feel personal. It should not feel like a big marketing blast you're going to send to everybody. This should be like, Scott sent an email to Ben. Ben sent an email to Taylor. This should feel as personal as it gets, okay? And so let's take this over. Here's the end result. I want you guys to have 3 of these things, and we'll talk about this in just a second. But let's go to ChatGPT because we're gonna do another one of these things, but I want to show you guys what it made me, because I was doing this over the weekend, just like running through the motions of all this. And I just started laughing at how well it did. It was unbelievable how well it did. So where's the email? All right, here we go. So here's mine. Write a 3-paragraph email to an existing customer, offer them a discount for a purchase of a product called Drive of Your Life, a product used to help them drive the golf ball further. Read this email. I'm just going to read it real quick. I hope this email finds you well. As one of our valued customers, we want to offer you an exclusive opportunity to take advantage of our golf game to the next level with Drive of Your Life. As a special thank you for your continued support, we're offering you an incredible 25% discount on your next purchase. Drive Your Life is the ultimate tool for a golfer looking to improve their game and hit longer drives. Innovative technology and easy use design. Maybe need to change that one because, again, we're not selling a physical product. You'll be able to add yards to your drive and gain a competitive advantage on the course. Look how good this is. It's unbelievable how well they are bringing in objections and benefits and all that kind of stuff. And so if you had done everything we've done up until this point, you would know and say, all right, cool. I want to replace innovative technology and easy to use design with impress your buddies. It's that objection maybe we found earlier. So listen. And then it finished up funny. Take advantage of the special offer, visit our website and use the code DRIVE25. This is the part we're going to replace, okay? The call to action should just say, if you want to buy this right now, just reply, yes, I want it to this email. Yes, give me Drive of Your Life, whatever you want to do for your audience. And that's it. We'll take care of the rest using your card on file. All the best, Scott. All the best, Taylor. And look how well that did. That's 90%. That is like tweak send. You know what I mean? And this email right here is going to, I'm telling you right now, you guys go and implement a yes email and put this in an autoresponder. Every single one of your customers, 2, 3, 4 weeks after they buy, give them something else to buy and make it easy for them to buy. You're going to make more money. And so then what do you do on the other end? On the other end, you're going to go into your SamCart account. You're going to do exactly this. Someone says, yes, let's go find their order. You know what I mean? Find their customer record. We're going to look up for whatever products we told them we're going to sell to them and charge their card on file. And we're done. And right back, awesome, sounds great. We got it taken care of. How about that? And so that easy. This is incredibly simple to go and do. This is get someone's permission, write them back. They say yes. It's that easy. It's that quick. No sending them back to a page to complete an order. No anything. It is literally one of the most profitable things. I have never seen this fail to really move the needle and drive a lot more revenue for somebody, right? And we've helped a lot of people set this up. So if you're going to write 3 of these emails, and I recommend sending these 3 emails over the course of maybe 5 days. So maybe it's like email, wait a day, email 2, wait a day, send the last one. Email 1 should be all about, here's my special offer. Email 2, remind them there's a guarantee. I just wrote 30-day guarantee. Like whatever your guarantee is, remind them about the guarantee. Hey, reply yes, and we'll add it to your order. Email 3, last chance. Hey, after today, customer discounts going away. It'll be back up to a full retail price, whatever. Send these 3 emails, okay? And remember to send 10% of all your extra profits to Scott Moran at 1600 Gracie Kilts Lane in Austin, Texas. This email sequence right here, using the prompt, here's your AI prompt, you're going to be using this one again, is going to be one of the biggest needle movers in your entire business. Giving your customers a chance to spend more doesn't just work on order bumps and upsells at the beginning of your process. It works at the end. It works in the back end, optimizing. Imagine if every single day, if I go way back, all right, I'm just going to keep clicking. I'm going to click until I get here we go. That's the one. Very, very beginning of this presentation, we showed you guys this. If you want your business to look like this green line, okay, help your customers spend more. And that doesn't stop day one. Help your existing customers come back and spend more. And again, SamCart's got a lot of features to make this kind of stuff happen. It makes it simple, but here's how you can use AI to spin up processes, spin up strategies that we see our top creators using all day to great effect to make their business look more like the green line than the blue line. So if we go all the way back, I'm cramping up. The yes email sequence, 3 emails, use that prompt, write those things, give your customers an awesome offer and say yes and have them do that. That is day 1, guys. Yeah, done. That is how we're going to multiply your sales. Double your average order value, 1 order bump, 1 upsell. We showed you guys how to do it. How to generate endless product ideas and spin up companion documents and transcribe interviews and how to do all this kind of stuff so that you just have more things to go sell to your existing customers, right? And then here's how to optimize your back-end sales using that yes email campaign, a wildly profitable idea.
Quit asking me questions. Yeah, I know you, but we ain't friends. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, we in this section, but you can't get in. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, I got the new Chrysler, blue with the tint. Quit asking me questions. I'm tired of these questions. Asking me questions, I want them my questions. They all in my business like TMZ.